Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is easily and clearly. All dimension is learn here, and one by one is drawing. All point is discussed here. Okay, this is our top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is you can see here easily, and all thread details is clear, you can see here, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here a very important lecture. Okay guys, all point clearly discuss here. Okay, this is a final product is a design here, and this body is designed easily and clearly, and all is a fitting is very nice looking here. Okay, this is a brush fitting is looking very nice, and this is a very useful and helpful any. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this, and some setting is very important, plain white, and this is this setting is document properties and going to image quality, and this image quality is very high because all dimension is clearly mention here. Okay, at first drawing this body, this is a hexagon is drawing here, and this thickness is a 6 millimeter is thickness, and this is a diameter is this geometry is 18 millimeter. Okay, use a front view, front plane, and going to this is a polygon, and polygon is drawing here, and this is a use a 6 parameters because use a hexagon, and this polygon is a number of side is 6. Okay, anywhere is draw here, and and one line is a mention here a vertical. Okay, all is perfect. And this geometry is this dimension is mentioned here is 18 millimeter, perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this front side is select sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is this circle diameter is 14 millimeter. Okay, this circle is diameter is 11 millimeter. Okay, and this small circle is 14, and this big circle is 17, and this diameter, this circle diameter is 11, and 16.5 is this is 16.5, and 50 degree angle is this is a cutting here, and this is a cut is 5 diameter. Okay, and at first drawing 11 diameter is 11. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this is this length is 10 millimeter because this use clearly, you can see here this length is 10 millimeter, and again this length is also 10 millimeter. Okay, and next is a back side is also select here, and use a circle is drawing here, and this circle is length is this diameter is 14. Okay, 14 millimeter is perfect. And use this extrude boss, and this extrude boss is thickness is 3 millimeter, only 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a this 17 millimeter is dia. Okay, 17 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude boss also, and this thickness is, this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is, this is a 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle. And this use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 1 millimeter and 45 degree angle is, select this, and also this chamfer is used here, and 0.5 millimeter and use a 45 degree angle is this. Okay, this, and this face sketch here, sketch normal, and this is a cutout, and then small circle is drawing here, and then this diameter, circle diameter is only 5 millimeter, and extrude cut is apply here, extrude cut. Okay, and through all select. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. Next is a okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, this is a cutting here. This length is 6.5 millimeter and angle is 6 degree, and this gap between this length is 5.2 millimeter. This length is 8 millimeter and this length is 11 millimeter, and 2.5 is this. Okay, and this is a cutout. Use a top plane, sketch normal, and draw a center line, and center line is a this to this. Okay, and select a line. Line is a select here, and this line is drawing here, and this line is also drawing here, this line, and also this to this, and connect to this. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a drag here. Okay, this line is also drag here. Okay, okay, and some dimension is mentioned here, and this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, and this angle between two, this is a 60 degree angle, and this length is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 2.5 millimeter, and this gap, this length is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is okay, and this is a perfect. This length is 11 millimeter, and this gap, this center point to this distance is 5.2 millimeter, and length is 8 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter and 2.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Okay, revolve cut is apply here, and this axis is also select here, and use this and select. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a this cutting very nice looking here. this cutting is a perfect cutting. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and next is a okay. Okay, so nice. This is a perfect and next point is also discuss here. This okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter and 52-degree angle. Okay, this is a cutting here. Select this face, sketch, normal, and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a perfect and this dimension is a 16.5. okay, and apply a extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut is this is a perfect and this is a side is a flipped side to cut and this angle is 52-degree angle. Okay, okay, and side flip side to cut and 52-degree angle. Click OK. This is a looking very nice. And use a mirror and select a reference geometry and this face and this face. Click here and OK, and use a mirror. Mirror is this and cut is a extrude cut. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect and this plane is height because this body is looking perfect. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And next is a thread is used here and this thread is a length is 10 millimeter and pitch is 0.7 but 1 millimeter is perfect. This is a missing point. Length is 10 millimeter, pitch is 1 millimeter and offset is 2 millimeter and size is M7. Okay, apply a thread. Thread is a this is a metric die and use a M7. Okay, M7 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and M size is 7, metric die and click OK. This is a OK, but Phillips offset is a 2 millimeter is flip side. Okay, and this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and next is a also length is 13 millimeter, pitch is 1 and offset is 3 and size is 8. Okay, thread is apply here and select okay, this is a perfect and select this and okay, offset is 3 millimeter and this is a 13 and click OK. This is a perfect metric die and M8 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and size is 8 and click OK. All is perfect and correct. And this color is apply here and this color is a okay, this is a metal and brush and use a polish brush and this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, this body is looking perfect and correct and guys, I hope you will learn this process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and drawing a furniture screw is design here, and today discuss here a very important furniture screw, and this is a very useful and helpful this body is design. And guys, today discuss here all drafting is available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view. All geometry is mentioned here, and use a one by one all geometry, and then this product is designed here easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter, and this all thread details is available here. This length is 11 millimeter, and pitch is 0.7 millimeter, and size is M4, and offset is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this is a all point is discussed here, and at first drawing this. Okay, and this body is designed here, and this body is looking perfect and correct, and all is looking so nice here, and this is a cutout is also better, and okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, and at first select a part, and some setting is select here this plain white. Okay, and going to option and document properties, image quality, and this is a perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this, and this is a distance between full length is 32 millimeter, and this angle is 45-degree angle, and this is a use this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 12 millimeter, and this is a length is okay, this radius is okay 3 millimeter, and this is 8 millimeter, and this is total is 17 millimeter. Okay, perfect and correct. Okay, this is 6 millimeter, and this is 8 millimeter. Okay, both is better, and this is 6 millimeter is this length, and use this is 8 millimeter, and this curve is a radius is 26 millimeter, and this is 5 millimeter. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a geometry. Geometry is a click this is a click this angle, and angle is this. Okay, and this line is drawing here, and this use this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And use this. Okay, and use a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is this to this, and use this. Okay, and this line is better, and this use a smart dimension is this is 32 millimeter. Okay, and use this to this point is 26 millimeter. Okay, and this line to this is use 5 millimeter, and this angle is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this point to this length is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between this is 2 millimeter is perfect, and this radius is this is a use 8 millimeter, and also this is a use okay, this is a 6 millimeter, and this use 8 millimeter. 8 mm is perfect, and this is a 26 mm is better. Okay, this use a 26 mm and this is a 8 mm and 6 mm, and this both is cut out. Okay, this is a perfect, and 5. Okay, all is this 12 mm is perfect, and this use a 12 mm. Okay, and okay, some point is discussed here is better, and this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and some is a distance is a this line is a drawing here, this line is a this, and this line and connect this line is a use a tangent. Okay, okay, and some point is a not perfect. Okay, this is a 6 mm and use a 8 mm, but some is line is not created here. Okay, and this line is a okay, so some line is use some mistake is a okay, this is a perfect, drawing this. Okay, and use this to this is a this. Okay, and this line is a this. But this is a delete here. Okay, and some use a this line is a perfect, okay, and select this. Okay, drawing a center line and draw this point to this this is a vertical line, and this line is a vertical. Okay, this line is also vertical, and this line and this is a use of tangent. Select this tangent. Okay, and drawing a this length to this is a 3 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 2 mm is perfect, and this distance is a this line to is a 12, and angle between to this is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this distance is a 5 mm and perfect, and this distance is a 26 mm. Okay, and this length is a 8 mm, and this length and this is a 6 mm is okay. This is a perfect, and this is a 26 perfect. All is a perfect line is drawing here, and this is a perfect and correct. This is a drawing this all dimension and all geometry is a correct, and use a extrude boss and click this is a perfect line and click OK. Perfect. Okay, and next is a use this is a this fillet is used here. This fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this is a chamfer is 45-degree angle and 0.3, and fillet is used here, and this fillet is used 1 millimeter. Click this and click OK. Okay, and again select a chamfer. Chamfer is a this chamfer is a use a this two. This is a chamfer is a 0.3 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay, perfect. And next is a this is a perfect, and use a this cutout, and this cutout is a this is a distance is 0.3 millimeter and 90-degree angle. Okay, select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a center line to this point to this. Okay, and again select a line is a this to this, connect this line and this connect to this. Okay, and this line select this midpoint and use a midpoint. Okay, and this angle between this angle is 90-degree. Okay, and distance between to this is a 0.3 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a fully defined, and okay, this is a perfect. This is a 0.3 millimeter and 90-degree angle, and perfect. And exit and use a cutout. Cutout is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all and click OK. This cutout is perfect, and again select a circular pattern, and this pattern is use a this. Okay, click this, use a this edge, and pattern is 80 and equal spacing, and this feature is a click this, and again select a this cutout is a this. Okay, and cutout is 80 and pattern is 80 and this equal spacing and 360-degree angle, and click OK. Okay, this is very nice looking here. And some important point is discuss here. This is a cutout, and this cutout is a perfect, and some use a okay, this is a 7 millimeter is inward direction, and some plane is created here. Okay, click a plane, select a this and use a this. Okay, and this plane is use a two relation is a parallel and tangent, both is a okay, and select this line and a sketch normal, and draw a center line, center rectangle, and draw a center rectangle is this. Okay, and use a this diameter is a 18 millimeter perfect, and this use a 3 millimeter. Okay, this cutout is a 2 millimeter. Okay, this is a 2 millimeter, and this 18 cutout is a 18, a millimeter, and 2 millimeter is this. Okay, this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. 2 millimeter and distance is 18. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a very some important point is discussed here. This use a offset from surface, and this is a very useful, and this distance is a 7 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and click OK. And this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this cutout is looking nice here, and material is apply here, and some material is select here, metal, and going to nickel, and this is okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and some important point, next point is use here this. Okay, and this is a hole is cut out, and this diameter is 1.5, and this distance is 6. Okay, and this is use a top plane and a sketch normal. Okay, and use a circle. Okay, at first select a center line, and center line to connect to this point to this, and use a circle. Circle is drawing here, and this radius is this diameter is 1.5 millimeter. Okay, not perfect, delete here. And this is a delete here, and align dimension, this dimension is 1.5 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is okay, this distance is 6 millimeter. Okay, because this distance is 6 millimeter, and this is 1.5 millimeter is diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is through all both side, because all is hole is created here. Okay, and next point is use a thread, and thread detail is available here. Is length is 11 millimeter, pitch is 0.67 millimeter, size is M4, and offset is 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a thread, and thread is all is perfect, and this is 11 millimeter. Okay, and metric die and M4 and 0.7, and okay, all is perfect, and click this. Okay, and offset is 2 millimeter. Okay, 2 millimeter is this, but 3 millimeter is offset is not here. Offset is 0.7 and 1. Okay, 1 is perfect. Okay, 0.7 is pitch, and 11 is this length, and 3 offset is not here, but distance is okay, and offset is 1 millimeter is better, and 1 millimeter is better, but 3 millimeter is okay, 3 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is 11 plus 3 means this is 14, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and okay, offset is 3 millimeter is perfect. Offset is 3 millimeter, and this is a pitch, and this is a length. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, and all is clear here. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed, and this is a very useful and helpful elbow pipe elbow, and this project is a small project, and this pipe elbow project is very useful and helpful, uh, and this is a very important learner, beginner student is very important this project. Okay, all 2D geometries design here and drafting here and all. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first drawing this bottom view, and this is a front view, and this is section view, and this project is a pipe elbow, and all dimension in millimeter, and length, and all length is 20 millimeter is this, and pitch is 1.5 is this, and M27 this is a thread is used here, and offset all is a all point is discussed here one by one, and all point is a this a thread, and okay, this is a at first drawing this is a skeleton drawing here, and 42 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 18 millimeter, and this is a 90-degree angle, and this is a equal length 42 millimeter. Okay, let's start here drawing this. At first select a plane is top plane, and select a at first line is this okay, 90-degree angle is skeleton is at first is drawing here, and both is equal, okay, and this is a 42. Okay, this is a correct, and fillet a sketch fillet is used here, and use this okay, and use a 18 millimeter. Okay, and click okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 42 millimeter and 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit, and use a swept boss base command is used here, and this is a very important, and use a circular profile, and circular profile is not a 2014 and below, not a 2014 version, and below not use here, and 2014 above means 2015, 2016, and above all is all new version in SolidWorks, all circular profile is used, so you can see here. Okay, not below version 2014, and okay, this is a circular profile is used here, and this is a use a 28 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct, but one point is also discussed here. This is a thin is 3 millimeter, and all is correct, and this is a thin feature is used here, and this is a 3 millimeter is correct, 3 millimeter, and direction is one direction, and this is a outside, and this is inside, this is a outside. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, outside is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and page select here, image quality is very high. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this point is correct, and and next is drawing here. This is a some boundary, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, and this is a inward direction, and this is a circle is drawing here. This is a 38 millimeter, and all value is thread, but this is a correct. Okay, at first select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Select a center point and use a this, and diameter is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use this edge is also convert entities, because this is a open, and not use a convert entities, then this is a close. Okay, use a extrude boss base, this is open, and not use this inward fillet, then this is a close. Okay. This edge is also select here, and this is a 5 millimeter thickness, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. And also change here 6 millimeter is also 6.2 is better, and direction is inward is correct. Okay, and same, and normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and this circle is diameter is 38 is correct. And also this edge is convert entities, because this mouth is open, and not use a convert entities, then this mouth is close. And also same, this is a blind, and 6.2 millimeter, and merge result all is correct. Okay, but direction is a okay, this is a correct, but direction is a upward, means change here downward. Okay, this is a correct, this is a inward direction is correct. And next is a use a thread. Thread is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is length, and pitch is 1.5, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. 1 by 1 is use here, and use a thread. Thread is a this. Okay, and at first select a any edge is this, and use a this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and next is a use here this is a metric die, and metric type is also very use, and this metric type is, and this is a correct N27 and 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Okay, M27 1.5. okay, this is a correct M27 and 1.5. okay, also correct M22 is also better. Okay, M22 is mentioned here, and metric die is also correct. M27 1.2 is not correct here. M22 multiply 1.2 is correct, but this is a metric type. M27 is also this is a, and use offset is 2.5. 2 millimeter is offset and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. And 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. And also use here metric to die, and all is looking perfect, and use a 22 millimeter, and this is a correct, and all is nice looking here. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a metric tab is correct, and metric tab and 22. Okay, okay, correct. Metric tab is, and 1.5 is better. This is a M22. Okay, this is a also, guys, you can see here also change here easily and clearly, but this is a simple use learn. M22 is also better, because this M27 is not mentioned here. M20 correct value is M22 multiply 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Metric tab is also better, and all is correct. Okay, and same use this, use a thread and use here, and all is correct. M20 metric tab and all is correct, and this is offset. Offset is 2 millimeter is downward, this is a upward. Okay, and all is correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this value and this, press a control button and change a color. Color is this. Okay, and also use a metal chrome. This is a bronze, and this is a use a this, and apply a is apply here. This is a perfect and correct, and also isometric is this, and this is a perfect, perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, guys, any doubt about this lecture? Guys, I hope you will learn this project is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. Is this lecture is very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter, and also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly. And this all dimension is a help of all this body is designed. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is separate, one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assembled here. Okay, this body is designed, and this body is a valve cover design, and how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also professional student is also better, and all is looking perfect. And both side is you can see here on the screen, this is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Let's start here. This body is design. At first some setting is very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen, and this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 mm, and this is a 88 mm, and this radius is 81 mm distance, and this is a 35 mm, and this is a 28 mm, and this distance is 47 mm, and this is a length is a 22 mm, and this is 6 mm is this, and 6 mm is this, and 14 mm is this, and this is distance is a 48 mm. Okay, and this is a 60 degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful. This body is designed. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here. This not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect. This drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here. A distance is a 14 mm. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 mm. Okay, okay, and use a select this point, and this distance is a 88 mm. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 22 mm. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 millimeter, and again select this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this distance is a 14 millimeter, this is a 47 millimeter is perfect. And select this point, and this line is a distance is a 47. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is a 81 millimeter. Okay, and this is a distance is a 28 millimeter, this and perfect. And this distance is this 2, and this distance is a 48 millimeter is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this relation, this point and this relation is a horizontal. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct. And guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch, normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important. And select this a pattern, and this diameter is 20 millimeter, and this distance is 112.5 millimeter is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is 120 millimeter this. Okay, and this is perfect and correct. And okay, this distance is mentioned here, this okay, but this apply a thread, and then distance is 120. Okay, and use a circle drawing here this, and this is a vertical line, and this distance is this point to this is 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern or circular pattern is perfect, and select this point, and use this pattern, and pattern is 6 pattern, and equal spacing, and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK. And again select going to extrude cut, extrude cut is through all and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And whole wizard is apply here and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect. And going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab. State tab is perfect, and at first select this two hole. First and second two hole is a size is M24, and two size is a two hole each size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state tab, and standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole. Perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter, and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter, and this is 24 millimeter, and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect. And going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here, because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect. And again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a state tab here, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a and this is a perfect. Okay, this use of 15, and this use a 12. Okay, and this line is this 15 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this okay some important point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and size is M12, and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect. And going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this. Okay, all point is discussed here. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 226 millimeter diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 176 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one. All is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a eye bolt design. Okay, today discuss here a eye bolt design easily and clearly, and this body is useful, and this is a very useful and helpful, and this is a very useful lifting. Okay, this product is very helpful lifting any body. Eye bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here all point is one by one is discuss here. And guys, this is a today drafting is also available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a final product body is designed here, and this eye bolt is designed easily and clearly, and this thread value is also available here. Okay. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is looking perfect and looking very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a click a part, and some setting is a at first setting. Okay, going to document property and image quality, and this image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay. Okay, at first drawing this circle. Okay, a small circle is 22 millimeter, and this distance is a 52 millimeter is height, and again select this diameter is circle, and this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, use a top plane. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is a this. Okay, and this circle is a 22 millimeter, and extrude boss is apply here a 52 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And apply a material is a this nickel is this. Okay, and this is a perfect. And this face sketch normal and drawing a circle is a this diameter is 8 millimeter, 18 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, and again select this face sketch. Okay, this face sketch normal and drawing a big size. Okay, and this diameter is a 42 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 42 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 18 millimeter and 8 degree drafting. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is a 18 millimeter and 8 degree drafting. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, correct and perfect. And okay, all is perfect. And then next is drawing this rounded. This is this radius is 36 millimeter and this radius is 29 millimeter, and this diameter is 7. This this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and use a front plane sketch normal and drawing a two circle is this first and then second. Okay, and at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, and align a diameter. This diameter is a 72 millimeter and this diameter is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 38. Okay, all is fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a 38 millimeter is length center to this point center, and this diameter is okay. And use a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this 16 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and use a fillet is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 7.5 millimeter, and click this edge and this edge. Okay, not use this 7 millimeter is correct, and select this edge to this edge. Okay, and select this edge to this edge is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a some point is this point. Okay, and some radius is a change here, and this radius is a this is 32 millimeter is better. and click OK. OK, again select this 46 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. 46 millimeter is correct. And again select this 40. Okay, 44 millimeter is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay. Okay, some missing point. This is a 44 millimeter is this circle is not this. Select this circle. Okay, no problem. And select some. This fillet is 5 millimeter is fillet, and this is a fillet is 4 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is a 5 millimeter. Select a 5 millimeter and click this. Okay, and again select a this and select a this to this. Click OK. This is a perfect. And again select a fillet is 4 millimeter and select a this to this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here. And this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this fillet is a this. Okay, 1 millimeter is this. Okay, very okay, all is perfect. And again select this chamfer. It is not okay. And next is this thread is a 52 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter and M27. Apply here. Thread is a apply here. This length is a 52, and click this 52 millimeter and select a 48 millimeter better, and M27 and metric to die. M27 a pitch is 3 millimeter and offset is a this offset is a this is a 4 millimeter and direction is upward. 4 millimeter and direction is a outside. Okay, and this is a 52 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Click OK. And some time is spent here because this is a active process is working here. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this thread and some color is a change here, this to black, and this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric view, this color is very nice. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.